Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an artificial plants wall. In this design, we have an artificial plant wall around the mirrors and behind the sink in our bathroom. Making this wall a reality, first of all, you need a back made out of wood or some kind of a structure that will hold your plants in place. After you have the structure, we like to use a backing of a plant. So it's a pre-made backing that you just attach to your structure. After the base is done, we start putting the plants. The base is very important because even though you think it's not going to be visible, there are many places where the base is visible. And when the plants are moved or clean, you don't want to see that ugly wall in the back. So this is why we place a base before. After you have that backing in place, we place plants individually. And you have to get creative and kind of choose the plants that you would like to use and place them around how you would like it to look. In this design specifically, we try to use the ones who are bigger or more bushy on the top, so it doesn't obstruct you the view while you are using the mirror or brushing your teeth. And then we started using smaller plants and getting to the smaller leaves at the bottom, just because of functionality of the sink. In this wall feature, I decided to go with different kinds of plants. You want to have some variety, but you don't want to have too much so it turns kind of busy for the eye. You want to have the right amount of different plants that they play well together. So one thing that you would want to do is place them together in front of you and see if they look well together. The more plants you use after your base will make the feel of the space feel more salvaje. So don't be afraid of using a lot of plants. Another thing that I like to do is try to see how the leaves look and put some water on them. So to really see how they look, I like to pick leaves that look more realistic than fake. You know, you don't want your fake plant wall to look really fake. You want to try to make it look as real as possible. So try that by looking into your leaves, putting some water on them, and really observing them if they look as much real as possible. In the case that you have a plant that does not come pre-made, we're going to grab a couple of leaves that are loose. If they don't come loose, like for example, in my case they come like this, I have to cut out the leaves individually and then join them together to kind of create an individual plant. And then that one I'm going to shape it and then place it wherever I want.